Yeah, hi there, and welcome to another ShopMate tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be explaining about the shipping options and the shipping methods you can have set up on your shop. So to start with, if you just hover over the extensions menu and move down to shipping. As you can see, we already have them all installed. We have about 8 or 9 different shipping methods. Now if you click on uninstall, it means it'll just take them away. But the best thing to do is just keep them all installed. Just because they're installed doesn't mean it's going to show in the front end of a shop. So to start with, I'll just enable this one. Now I'll go through what all these different fields mean. The cost, this is the cost that the flat rate is going to take. How much it's going to cost for the customer. So tax class, GST, do you want to include GST or none, exclude? Geozone, do you want it available to everyone or just New Zealanders? Do you want it to be enabled, which means it'll be shown in the front end to the customer, or do you want it to be disabled? Also sort order. Do you want it to be up the top? Do you want it to be down the bottom? The lower the number, which means the higher priority it's going to be. The higher the number, which means the lower priority it's going to be. So if it's a 20, it means it's going to be right down the bottom. If it's number 1, it means it's going to be right up the top. So I'll put this number 1. Alright, now it's got to make sure it's enabled. As you can see, this one's now enabled. It's got sort order number 1. Now we'll also include free shipping. We'll make this number 2 sort order and a total. Now free shipping, this is the total amount needed before the free shipping becomes available. So we'll make it $100. You have to spend $100 before you get free shipping. We now click on save. And now we've got both of these enabled. Now if we go back to the front end, I've already got something in my cart, so I'll go through the checkout. As you can see, we now have flat rate as an option or free shipping. But if I get rid of this out of my cart, if I go back to my basket, remove this, first of all, I'll just disable free shipping, update my cart. Now if I go and buy something that's less than $100, for example, product 5, which is only $41.63, and go to basket, checkout, you can see we only have flat shipping rate as an option because they haven't spent more than $100 yet. So it's quite a good way to really upsell to your clients and say, hey, if you spend $100, then you'll get free shipping. There's a whole lot of other shipping options that are available, and there'll be more available in the future as well. There's also a per item option, which means you can choose a specified amount per item. So if you want $5 and they buy 4 items, it's going to cost $20. It really depends what business you're in, what shipping method you'd like to choose. Underneath that we have UPS. Now this is used for overseas buyers, so we won't be talking about this in this tutorial. Weight-based shipping. Now this here is this is when it gets quite technical, where you have to specify a weight for every single product for this to be able to work. So pretty much if you want it to weigh a certain amount and you want it to cost a certain amount for the weight, then you'll enter everything here. But I won't be talking about this in this ShopMate tutorial. If we go back to the shipping. Alright, so if you want to add another flat rate, you just click edit and you type in the amount again. Choose the tax class, geozone, status, and sort order. Just like that, and now we have 2 flat rates enabled in our shop. So it's quite easy to use, real simple, gives us lots of different options to the customer, different options to you as well, so it's a real good way to have different shipping options for your customers. So hopefully you've learned a little bit more about the shipping part of the back end of your ShopMate. Thank you for watching this tutorial.